In this video, we're going to be reviewing, driving, and testing this Haiboxing Surge X03. Welcome everyone, my name is Troy, this is Roadside RC. You'll tend to find me bashing and crawling and drifting and racing, plus product review videos and how-tos on this channel. On the workbench is the Haiboxing Surge X03. This is a beginner, entry-level, ready-to-run RC boat that's very easy to use and very beginner-friendly. Anyone can get out there and be driving on the water in a matter of minutes with this boat. It comes with a 2-joystick controller, fairly easy to use with a big on-off button right on the front. Your power forward and reverse is here. Your steering is on this side. It comes with 2 batteries plus a simple USB charger for them. However, it does have a balance plug and a regular T or Dean style connector here, so that if you do have a more powerful hobby grade charger, you can charge them even faster. The boat itself is an attractive, very sleek, slim design, which helps it cut through the water and actually has some pretty good speed to it, considering it is a brushed motor and it's running on these lithium-ion batteries. Couple very important pieces for you to know. So the lid comes off very easily. You then trigger these 3 latches right here. This cover comes off. You're able to put the battery in right here in this and plug it in. And what you'll notice is when it plugs in, it is not actually powered on. Even if you have the controller on, you will find that this boat actually does not power on because it has a water detection sensor here, which is very, very nice, again, for beginners. That means if you're with maybe a younger driver, you have the controller on, you have the boat with the battery in it. When they hit the power switch, it's not going to spin until it sees water, and you know that it's armed because this LED comes on. Yeah, make sure it's really on good. There you go. Solid click, solid red, solid.
Yeah.
Well, that just kind of snaps on. Alright, and then we can see it's off because there's no light.
Yep.
But this is waiting. And as soon as it hits the water, see the light come on. And then that connects here and it says full battery. So it actually gives you an idea of the battery life as we run it. It'll spray you. Yep. You're welcome. Oh, dude, that looks great! Look at that boat! Oh, man!
Oh my god, it's a rocket!
That thing looks awesome!
Shut that thing out! That is so much fun!
It cut through that muck without an issue at all, did it? Look at that. You left a trail. Dude, that thing goes so good. Woo! Nice. Yeah.
Dude, that's pretty cool. Look at that.
Making it.
It is.
You're opening up the nether portal. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You rolled it. How'd you do that? Now, it's supposed to be self-righting. Oh, it's so close. Oh, you did it! All right. Sorry, Logan. How did you do it?
Up and down, up and down.
Up and down, up and down, up and down, and then it just eventually did it?
Yeah.
My son and I have been out driving this boat around for the last couple days. We've found that nice and powerful, easy to maneuver, easy to drive. Self-righting does work, so if you do happen to flip upside down out in the water, it works really, really well. This boat's proven itself to work really well in a pool area, a controlled pond environment. We have not had a chance yet to get it out into more lake open waters like that, definitely the ocean. I would start to be a little bit nervous based on its size if you're going to take it out there in that large of an area. I believe, of course, it will go. It will physically float. It'll physically move. We need to test it in some of those big waves. I'm actually really excited to get it out to like the beach and see if we can actually use it to jump the waves. That would be absolutely epic. If you are in the market for a base budget model boat to get into that's very family friendly, very easy to use in a wide variety of situations, make sure you check out this Haiboxing Surge X03. It really is a pretty good deal and very easy and versatile to use. Now, I'm going to get to working on some other videos. I have a whole vehicle reviews playlist over here. So if you want to check out some other things that you might be interested in, please click that playlist now. Thank you and goodbye.